friends, welcome back to Mimi Homestyle. Today we're jumping right in with two quick and easy recipes, a refreshing cocktail or mocktail, and a fun, delicious no-bake treat that's perfect for the holidays. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mimi Homestyle. Today we're going to be making a sparkling cranberry ginger bliss cocktail. And this cocktail is great for like a winter celebration or New Year's Eve, or if you have time. I know it's Wednesday and it's Christmas or it's the holidays, wherever you're at. So however you celebrate it, Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. And if you have these things on hand, you can use them and create this cocktail today if you want to. But I'm going to show you how to put this together. It's a lot of fun. It's really easy to make, and it's very, very tasty. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to maybe find some festive glass. I got this at Target last year. It was in the Target bins. But, and I don't know if they'll have anything new this year. You might want to check that out. But you can also use just a wine glass or whatever that will fit this drink that's festive for your party. But we're going to use this. I thought these were kind of cool. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get about a cup of ice. And we're going to add the ice to the drink. And you want to fill it halfway with ice. Then the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding a half a cup of cranberry juice. I get the Ocean Spray cranberry juice, so I get a half a cup of that. And I got this at Kroger's. I get these little mini ones. I like these because then I don't have to open up a large can of cranberry juice. We're going to put that on top of the ice. And then you're going to need some ginger ale. Now I'm using the zero sugar ginger ale. This is Vernors. I mean, of course, if you're in Michigan, this is what you drink. You drink the Vernors, and I love this. And this is for the sparkle. So we're going to put a half a cup of ginger ale. You can use whatever ginger ale you can find near you. And we're going to add that to the top of the cranberry juice. That's what's going to give it the little sparkle. And then we're only going to be adding a splash of orange juice. So we're just going to add a little bit of orange juice to this, something like that. And then I'm going to elevate it with some vodka, but you can find some cranberry liqueur. You can use spiced rum. You can use bourbon. So this will take any of those types of things for this drink, but you also can leave it as is and add some oranges. And then we're going to also add some cranberries to this. But if you want to just make a mocktail, you can do that. But we're going to add a little, about an ounce of vodka to this. And then we're going to add a few of these really lovely cranberries. And we're going to put that on the top just to give it a little festive look. I love that. It looks very holiday and Christmassy. And then, we can stir this up a little bit, mix it up a little bit. And then we're going to close that up. And there you have it. It's just as simple as that. And believe me, it tastes amazing. And I love that we have the festive glass to add to the whole vibe. And again, you can add some oranges to this as well, or you can even, if you don't have a top, you can actually add the orange to the side of the rim of the glass. So that's our cocktail. So again, you can make this a mocktail or you can make it a cocktail, whatever way you want to do it. But I love the little festive glass. And let's take a sip. Oh my gosh, I love all of the flavors together. The Vernors, I love the little splash of orange in this. I love that it has cranberry juice. They're all my favorite flavors. So let me know in the comments below if you try this out for New Year's or the holidays. Let me know if you like it. But it's just really simple and easy to make. And you can just make a bunch of these for your guests and make the mocktails for the kids. It'll be a lot of fun and it's very festive. So next, we're going to be making Mimi's S'mores Bites. It's a no-bake dessert. It's great for the winter months. It's great for the holidays, for New Year's Eve. The powdered sugar that we'll be using will add a little festiveness to what we're doing with this. But you're going to be using several ingredients, mostly things that you probably already have in your pantry. So if you want to make that today as well, you can. But I'm going to get started and I'm going to show you step by step how to put this together. It's really easy. And then we're going to try those out too. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to crush up at least like 10 to 12 graham cracker squares, or it has to be at least 1.5 to 2 cups of graham crackers. Now for me, when I crush them, I like to just put them in a Ziploc bag, and then I use a rolling pin, and then I'll roll over everything, or I'll or you can even like hit it a little bit like this and then get them all crushed up. So we're going to do that first, and we're going to make sure we have enough of these, and we're going to put that in a bowl, and then I'll show you the next ingredient that's going to go in for this recipe. So I did end up using like a whole sleeve of these graham crackers, and I crushed them up and I put them in the bowl. That gave me about 1.5 cups of the graham crackers crushed. And then of course, you know, it looks like this, so it's all crushed up. And then the next thing that you're going to add is about 2 cups of mini marshmallows. So we're going to put those in there. And so we're just going to add that in. And now the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be melting some white chocolate. Now you can use white chocolate, like those little discs that you find at Kroger's, or you can just use white chocolate morsels, whatever you want. But I'm going to show you how to do that next. So the next thing that we're going to do, we filled up a bowl of the white chocolate, and we're going to be putting this in the microwave for 30-second intervals. So you're going to microwave it for 30 seconds, and you're going to stir it, and then you're going to keep putting it in there until everything's completely melted. So we're going to start that right now. And then we'll be putting this in the bowl with all of our other ingredients. So you're using about 6 ounces of white chocolate for this. And now we're going to drizzle that all over the top of the marshmallows and the graham cracker crumbs. And then we're going to mix this up in the bowl. And then our next ingredient is going to be some mini chocolate morsels, semi-sweet chocolate morsels that are going to go on top of this. So we're just going to mix this up. You want to get it all coated and covered up. And then we're going to add the chocolate chips. So let's stir this up, and we'll get the chocolate chips in next. So next we're going to add some mini chocolate chips, and we're going to only be putting in about 1/2 cup of the mini chocolate chips. And then we're going to sprinkle those all over the top, and then we're going to mix those in as well. And we're going to get them all coated. And then I'm going to show you what you're going to do next. And then we're going to be putting these in the refrigerator after we add some powdered sugar to the top. And I'm going to show you how to scoop these out. But first we need to mix this thoroughly. So let's do that. And then I'm going to head over to the other counter in my kitchen to show you how to scoop these out and put the powdered sugar on. So you're going to want to line a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. And then if you have a cookie scoop, that would be great because you're going to want to press the cookie or the s'mores bite into the cookie scoop. And I usually like try and press it a little bit so it kind of molds into the cookie scoop. And then you're going to add it to the cookie tray. We're going to fill that up. And then when we're done getting all of our cookies on here, then we're going to be sprinkling it with some powdered sugar. So let's get these done, and then I'll show you that next step. So after we put them on the cookie tray, and this makes about 1.5 to 2 trays of these, I usually get like a sifter like this, and then I take the powdered sugar and then I put that in here, and then I kind of like just put that on top of all of these s'mores, just to add a little snowy effect to these, which I think looks so pretty. And then what we're going to do is we're going to be putting these in the refrigerator so that they can kind of like harden up a little bit. And they're going to go in there for about 20 minutes. And then you can put these on a plate and then serve them up any way you like, you know, on a nice cute plate or something like that. But we are going to be putting these in the fridge now. Okay, so here they are. Here's the cookies. They were in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. A couple of things I want to mention is that I think that if you put only in like a cup of the mini marshmallows, you're doing good. I don't think you needed 2 cups. It worked out with about one cup of mini marshmallows. If you wanted to do the 2 cups of marshmallows, then I would probably double all the other things, all the other ingredients. And you could have added more of the white chocolate if you wanted to, but this worked out fine. The way it was. I have this really cute plate that I got from my sister-in-law one year for Christmas. I think she got it on QVC. So I got that gifted one year. So I put them on that plate. I thought that was kind of a cute idea. So you can do something like that similar at home. You can even get some really cute trays at the Dollar Tree and plate them up. And then of course you have your cocktail. You can bring this with you if you want to a party that you're going to, and then set up your own little area where you can give everybody a nice mocktail or cocktail if you want. But these are really fun to bring along somewhere as well, or even if you're staying in for New Year's Eve or the holidays. So yeah, so let's try this. These look really great. Yep. It tastes just like a s'more. It's got the chocolate. It's got the marshmallows, and then it's just the graham crackers. Everything. It's perfect and really easy to make. So I highly recommend these. So anyway, what I wanted to say to you all is happy holidays, happy New Year. We are going into 2025. I can't believe it. And I will see you after the New Year. I have family coming to visit and staying with us, and we're going to be doing a bunch of activities while they're here. So I'm really excited about that. And then of course I host Christmas dinner. So I'll probably have some pictures up for you to see my table and some of the family photos and stuff like that, as long as everybody lets me do that. But other than that, just have a great holiday season. And thank you so much for being here for this year. When I started my channel, I had no idea that I would get as many people as I did already. And I'm so happy that you're here and so happy that you can be with me. So here's to a new year. And I can't wait to bring some more ideas. And even if you have some more ideas, please do put that in the comments, because I'd love to hear what you'd like to see on the channel. But don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so that you can see more things coming in the new year. Happy holidays, everyone. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found some fun and budget-friendly ideas to bring into your home. A special shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. I post weekly with more home decor, party planning, and DIY goodness. Also, check out my shop at Grin and Print on Etsy. I've got some fun games, printables, and party supplies that I know you'll love. Thanks again for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video.